The Montessori language program works on two aspects of language, the spoken and the written language. When a child is born, he tends to hear everything that is there in the environment, and once his oral faculties are developed, he will learn how to imitate these sounds. For written language, the first precursor is the Pielian sensorial activities. When a child works with his hands to eat, hold a spoon, work with tongues, etc., she or he is developing the fine motor skills needed for writing. In the Montessori environment, the first material that we introduce the child to are the insets. While working with the insets, a child works towards his first work on controlled motor movement. This helps him or her to start preparation for writing. Spoken and written language starts using sandpaper letters in the Montessori program. This is a box of sandpaper letters. There are 26 letters. So the sandpaper letters are sandpaper letter cutouts put onto placards. The vowels are in blue and the consonants are in pink. Now is where we start the sequence of formation of letters in a Montessori program. Ch. Children trace with their two dominant fingers to develop muscle memory and continue practicing till they learn the formation of the various letters. Ch. Next comes the sand tray or the sawdust tray as in this case. Ch. Ch. Once a child has mastered till this level, we teach the child how to draw this very letter in the air. Ch. And the last stage is when the pen and paper is introduced. On a 4-line paper, a child is taught how to form the very same letter. So this is the sequence of writing in the Montessori method. Sandpaper letter, sand tray, in the air, and then on a sheet of paper. Hope this helps you teach your children back home. Thank you.